Wow, it is almost time for the 55th NCMS Annual Training Seminar.
Community outreach for this year's seminar is being coordinated by NCMS board member Kathy Kaoe. Kathy, what are we doing this year?
Thanks for asking, Darcy. We're actually performing 2 community events this year, and we're very excited about them. On Monday, the 10th of June from 10 a.m. till noon, we're taking 20 to 25 volunteers to Operation Food Search in St. Louis. We'll be going to their warehouse to help them sort out their donated food. We're also hosting a Red Cross blood drive at the seminar site from 11 o'clock a.m. till 5 o'clock p.m. No appointment is needed. Finally, for the 7th year in a row, America's Vet Dogs is NCMS's charity of choice, and donations can be made at the seminar or at ncms.vetdogs.org.
That's great, Kathy, but why does NCMS coordinate a community outreach event prior to the seminar?
You know, Trish, that's a great question. We believe that national security starts at home and in supporting our own communities. It's a fantastic opportunity for our attendees to network, but also to give back to the communities that host our largest annual training event. This is our 3rd year doing this, and we're looking forward to continuing this tradition year after year with the communities that serve as the host to our seminar.
Kathy, it sounds like we have some truly wonderful opportunities for our attendees to get involved and really get the most out of their time at the seminar.
Oh, absolutely. It's going to be great. Information on all of the events and volunteer opportunities is available on the seminar website, ncms-seminar.org. And any questions can be directed to the email on the screen. I can't wait to see everyone in St. Louis.
And time.